My name is Penn McClatchy. I'm the CEO of SAF. We're a metal distributor, finisher, and fabricator. SAF was founded by my father in 1946, and we've been operating 76 years. Construction is a very customized business. We have a lot of fun trying to figure out how to do all the different things that people ask us to do. No one thing that we do is rocket science, but when you put it all together, it can become very complex. We've been working with the MEP for 30 years. We find that we share a lot of the same issues that other manufacturing companies do in the state of Georgia. One of the things that makes the MEP special compared to other consultants is the breadth of experience and knowledge they have. I think most of what SAF knows about lean manufacturing we've learned from the MEP, and we've done, could be as many as a dozen projects over the last 20 years. We've gone from an organization with about 50 employees, and today we have 250 employees. We've been able to administrate, if you will, that number of people with the tools that we've learned from the MEP. SAF is very fortunate to be headquartered in the state of Georgia because the state of Georgia is so manufacturing friendly, and the MEP is a big part of that.